हम बीजं सशक्तिः सोऽहं कीलकम् श्रीगुरुकृपा प्रसादसिद्ध्यर्थे जपे विनियोगः।
Yes. So this is going to be the next book you are all going to receive. The first edition was like a magazine. You all already got it. Am I right? This is the second edition. Means it is not second edition, like a next level. This is the first level. And this is a second level, like a second volume. And there is also a third volume. The third volume, next volume, will have all these agamic references. These are all completely agamic references, curled out and translated about everything, even the welcome tag, the ID you are wearing, that Rudrakshmala, number of Rudraksha and that between that red, that is also recorded in a Rudrakshagama. Even in that we followed the Rudrakshagama. So to that level, so many things which you got in this class and the programs, the mandala you are sitting, or the Shaktis, which I am explaining, and this 11 dimensions, 25 states of consciousness, for all that, you can see my handwriting, that tag references. So, see, actually, if you get this whole thing, thousands of things which you went through in these 21 days, you can understand, especially to answer others. See, for most of you, my words are the Agama. For that kind of people, this is enough. But the problem is, we can't be weak like that. Sometimes, you will not be able to answer others when they question you. That time you need Shastra Pramana. You need Shastra Pramana. Understand? For your own enlightenment, Guru's words are enough. But for you to defend, stand, protect, answer, you need Shastra Pramana. So we will be giving you Shastra Pramana also. So all these are the Shastra Pramanas we curled out. And this will all be coming to you elaborately, like about mandalas, kriyas, all that. And apart from that, all the 800 asanas, we have made a book with the original verse. Shastra Pramana, Apta Pramana, Atma Pramana, and the photograph how to do. Whole thing, that will also be given to you. So how in the spiritual alchemy product which you are having, each one of them, what is filled in them and how they are prepared, all those descriptions, which will be useful for you guys to answer others' questions. And also we are successful in tracing. Already we have the verses of the whole original Bhagashastra, the Sadashiva's own words. Now we are successful in making the original words directly translated into English. You see, whatever English translation now available is that English translation from the Tamil translation of the Sanskrit work. So now we are successful in making the direct English translation from the original Sanskrit work of Sadashiva. You will get that also. I'll reach it out to you guys. I'll put it in the internet freely, website freely. Anyway, I'll have all your mail IDs. I'll just send you e-copies. And especially if you are interested in having the same food, want to continue, same food, it will be helpful for you. I'll actually strongly recommend you continue not only the same food, even lifestyle. Have the Aritaki. All these are too small, but you will live healthily, long time, joyfully. Life is all about that, na? Yes. So I'll introduce the remaining dimensions of 11 dimensions and then attend to some of your questions. And we have only 5 more days. Shall we have day and night session? Now I'm trying to, okay, let's find out some idea. Yes. I also have one more request. See, now there are many people who are going to be staying back for Nityananda Yogam, next 3 months, Nityananda Yogam batch, till Rama Navami. Rama Navami will be a big celebration in the ashram because Rama came here and lived here. That's why this place is called Ramanagara. Rama lived here and Rama worshipped our Sadashiva also. The Shivalinga was there even during Rama's time. So we will be having Rama's birthday. Till Rama Navami, this batch, next batch Nityananda Yogam will be there. Whoever is going to staying back for Nityananda Yogam, if you don't ask questions here, let us allow all the other participants to have questions. I'll answer their questions and spend time with them. Whoever is going to be here for these next 3 months, you are going to have 3 months around me. And I commit with you, I'll answer all your questions there. And you are going to have deeper sessions than this. Naturally, I am going to expand it to you guys in a deeper level and more time you are going to have. So all the Nityananda Yogam participants who are going to be here for the next batch, if you have been already invited or if you have applied, I said, yes, you will be getting the invitation. See, Nityananda Yogam program is not a paid program. You can apply, but it will be invitation basis. So all the people who want to be part of the Nityananda Yogam batch, you can send your request. The vision statement of Nityananda Yogam program is, whatever I enjoyed with Arunagiri Yogeshwara, I am trying to share it with you. The same kind of a spontaneous but intense, intimate way of teaching. I never had an organized session with Arunagiri Yogeshwara, but it was such intimate, spontaneous sessions, teaching. He has his own unique way of teaching. Whatever I received from him, I am trying to share it with all of you. That's a vision statement of Nityananda Yogam.